Commercial evictions can be a complex and challenging process for landlords and tenants alike. Understanding the legal steps and rights involved is crucial for navigating this difficult situation. Commercial eviction occurs when a landlord removes a business tenant from a property due to lease violations or non-payment. Unlike residential tenants, commercial tenants have fewer legal protections, making the terms of the lease agreement particularly important. There are several common reasons why a landlord might pursue a commercial eviction. The most frequent cause is non-payment of rent, where the tenant fails to pay the agreed-upon amount. Other reasons include lease violations such as unauthorized subletting or exceeding occupancy limits, significant property damage beyond normal wear and tear, conducting illegal activities on the premises, or breaching maintenance obligations outlined in the lease. While commercial tenants have fewer protections than residential tenants, they still have some legal rights. These include the right to receive proper notice before eviction proceedings begin, the opportunity to correct lease violations in many cases, and protection against wrongful eviction tactics such as changing locks without court approval. Tenants also have the right to enforce the terms of their lease if the landlord violates them. The eviction process typically follows several steps. First, the landlord must provide written notice to the tenant, often in the form of a 3-day notice. If the issue is not resolved, the landlord can file a complaint with the court, which then issues a summons to the tenant. The tenant has the opportunity to respond and explain why they are not in default. If the tenant fails to respond or the court rules in favor of the landlord, an eviction order may be issued. Before resorting to eviction, landlords may consider alternative solutions. These can include negotiating payment plans or lease modifications, engaging in mediation with a neutral third party, offering incentives for voluntary move-out, or proposing lease buyouts. These alternatives can often save both parties time and money compared to going through the full eviction process. Commercial evictions are complex legal matters that require careful consideration of lease terms, local laws, and the specific circumstances of each case. Both landlords and tenants should be aware of their rights and responsibilities, and consider seeking legal advice to navigate the process effectively. By understanding the legal steps and exploring alternatives, parties can work towards resolving disputes in a manner that protects their interests and minimizes costly legal battles.